What is a noble gas configuration? We've talked about electron configuration, and the noble gas configuration is just a way to make the electron configuration easier to write. So let's start out with rubidium number 37. Okay, so rubidium, it has 37 protons and 37 electrons. So I'm going to go 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s1. So that is the electron configuration for rubidium. It's not really that long. I mean, we're not that long into the video. I've got it done. We understand what's happening. Now, it's going to take you a little bit longer since you're learning to do it, but if you follow the periodic table and you practice your electron configuration, it's not that bad. But there's an easier way to do it. Sometimes you're allowed to use it, other times you're not. The AP exam will ask you whether, will tell you rather, which one you're supposed to use. But you can just kind of shortcut, and that's what the noble gas notation is. So your noble gases, if you sort of figure out your periodic table, if you figure out your periodic table here, okay, it starts out with helium, and then anything in that column is a noble gas. And other than helium, which is so small because it only does 1s2, all the other noble gases fill in s2p6. So s2p6, which means 8 total valence electrons, which means they have a full valence shell, which means they're stable. And because they're stable, because they're inert, that's why we use them. You don't use any other element. Kids always keep trying to use other elements. You can only use noble gases to do the noble gas configuration. So I go back from rubidium 37, and the last noble gas that I hit is number 36, krypton. Okay, so another way of looking at it is here. If I add all those up, 2 and 2 is 4, and 6 is 10, 12, 18, 20, 30, 36. So you see that that would be krypton. And then I've just got one more, which makes it rubidium. Okay, so 36 here, so that's 36 electrons. And we can just say that those 36 electrons are everything we have in krypton. But we have that one extra, so after the krypton, we have 5s1. So the krypton, 5s1, there you are.